Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Flow channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It is. How are you, David?
I am good, thank you. I am awake, so that is a great start.
Awake is always good. Did you have coffee?
Yes, I had my coffee, so now I am ready for the day. How are you, Anna?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a really good morning.
That's nice. A good morning is very important.
It really is. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life.
Our routine.
Yes, daily routines. Everyone has a routine because we all live a day from morning to night.
That is true. Some routines are simple, some are more busy, but everyone has one.
And it is a perfect topic for English learning because we use simple everyday words.
Exactly. But before we start talking about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, if you are listening and you like this podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to the English Flow channel.
It helps us create more podcasts for you. And please share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. We love our listeners. Okay, Anna, daily life. Let's start with the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You do not like the morning, Anna.
No, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Really, I am a morning person. I love mornings.
Wow, good for you. For me, mornings are difficult. The alarm clock.
Ah, the alarm clock? Yes.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music. Soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is very loud. I wake up and think, oh no, already?
Laughs. And do you get up right away?
Number 1, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes, 5 more minutes.
Is it really 5 minutes?
Sometimes 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Anna. So when do you actually get out of bed?
When I must, when I am very late, then I jump out of bed and say, I'm late.
That is funny. My morning is different.
Tell me,
I wake up early, before the sun.
before the sun? Why?
Because the world is quiet. No cars, no noise, just peace. I like that time.
That sounds very nice. What do you do first?
Coffee, always coffee.
Same. I run from my bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with hot milk, very warm and comforting. And you?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
That is simple. After coffee, do you look at your phone?
Yes, I look at the news and emails.
Oh no, not the phone first thing.
What do you do?
I sit by the window with my coffee and just think. No phone.
That sounds peaceful. Maybe I should try that.
It is very relaxing. So, what about breakfast?
Breakfast is fast for me because I am usually late. I eat toast with butter or sometimes a banana.
Very fast. I like a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs in the morning? You have a lot of time.
I wake up early, remember?
True. After breakfast we get ready.
Yes, I take a hot shower. It helps me wake up.
Me too. But then comes the difficult part, choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. I look at my closet full of clothes and think, I have nothing to wear.
I know that feeling. My strategy is simple. I only have blue shirts.
What? Only blue shirts?
Yes, blue, white, and grey. Easy. No thinking in the morning.
That is actually very smart. I should try that.
So we choose clothes and then it is time to go to work. How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is it good?
It is okay, but very crowded. Many people. But I listen to music or a podcast, so it is fine.
That is nice. I drive my car.
That sounds comfortable.
It is, but the traffic is terrible. Many cars, very slow. Stop, go.
That sounds boring.
It is. But I listen to music. Loud music.
Laughs. And then we arrive at work. What is your work day like?
Busy. The first thing I do is get more coffee. Then I check my emails and go to meetings.
A lot of talking?
Yes. Talking. And you?
My day is similar. I talk to people. I help people. And yes, many emails.
What about lunch? That is my favorite part of the day.
Me too. Do you bring lunch from home or buy lunch?
I usually buy lunch at a small cafe near my office.
Is it good?
Yes, but expensive. I should be more organized. What about you?
I bring my lunch, a salad or a sandwich. It is simple and cheap.
That is very responsible. I will try that one day.
Maybe start with 1 day a week.
Good idea. In the afternoon, I get sleepy around 3 o'clock.
Me too. My eyes close like this. Zzz.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes tea, green tea, or I eat an apple.
I eat a cookie.
A cookie is nice too.
Then at 5 o'clock, work is finished.
Yes, I go home on the bus again. I feel tired and I just look out the window.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again, but I am happy because I am going home.
Home is the best place. What do you do first when you arrive?
I say hello to my dog. His name is Max. He is very excited and jumps.
That is adorable. I have a cat named Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She looks at me and says, meow. That means give me food.
Cats are the boss.
Yes, she is the queen of my house. After pets, I change clothes and put on something comfortable.
Me too. I take off my work clothes and put on a t-shirt. It feels amazing.
Then dinner time. Do you cook?
Sometimes. But I am not a good cook. I burn things. Chicken, rice, even water.
How do you burn water?
I don't know. But it happened, so I make simple food, like pasta or eggs. Or I order pizza.
Pizza is great. I like cooking. It is relaxing. I cut vegetables, listen to music, and make soup.
That sounds delicious. After dinner, it is around 7 o'clock. What do you do then?
I clean the kitchen, then I sit on my sofa and read a book. Later, I walk my dog. It is quiet outside.
That sounds peaceful. I watch TV, usually comedies. I need to laugh. Bella sleeps on me.
Cats are experts at sleeping. What time do you go to bed?
Late, maybe 11:30 or midnight.
That is late.
Yes, then in the morning I am tired again. It is a cycle.
I go to bed early, around 10 o'clock. I need sleep.
Your routine is organized. Mine is chaotic.
Laughs. But both routines work for us.
Yes, and it was fun talking about our daily life.
It was. And we hope everyone listening enjoyed it too.
If you liked this conversation, please subscribe to the English Flow channel and give this video a like.
And tell us in the comments, are you a morning person like me or a night person like David?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, Anna. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.